In this video, we are gonna see how to invest in Take-Two Interactive Software in just a few steps. So in case you don't know, Take-Two Interactive Software is the company that owns Rockstar Games, which is the company that is behind GTA 6. So this way, by investing in this company, you will also be investing in GTA 6. So if the game goes good, then this stock might go up. But I always recommend you to do your own research because this is not financial advice, and I'm just gonna show you how to do it. Just for some information, GTA 5 was released on 2013, and as you can see, the source of Take-Two Interactive Software. This is when GTA 5 was released, and this is what happened after, because as you know, GTA 5 was a really good game, and GTA 6 has a lot of hype already, so if it goes good, the company can have a good performance. So to do it, the first thing you need to do is go to any trading platform. In my case, I'm using Trading 212, and I personally recommend it. There are also some good news if you want to open an account on a trading platform, because as you can see here, I have this option to get free shares. So if I click here, I can invite 5 people with my referral link, which is right here, and I will leave it in the description of this video. And by creating an account with my link, you'll be getting free money from 8 to 100 euros. So you can see here the probability of you getting the money. You will probably get from 8 to 25 euros. And after you create your account, you can also invite more people to get even more money. So this is completely free. You just need to create your account, verify your ID, and deposit 10 euros or more. This is very important. You need to deposit 10 or more euros to get your free shares. And after you got them, you can just sell them and withdraw the money to your bank account or use it to invest. So after that, after you have your account ready, you just need to search for Take-Two Interactive Software. Click here and click the buy button. As you can see, this is the price of the share right now, and we can set a specific amount of money we want to buy, for example 200 euros, which will get us this amount of shares. After that, you just need to review your order and send your buy order. So this might have a very small fee, as you can see here, and this is the amount of shares that I will get because of the 30 cents fee. And that's it. By sending the buy order, I will get them on my account, and I will be able to see them here at my investments. And after some time, I could use click them and sell my share and withdraw the money to my bank account. So that's how easy you can invest on GTA 6. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.